electronic systems become 3 times more complex. The software system is equally complex.